How to speed up your old laptop. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I will teach you how you can speed up your old laptop. But before we begin, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified for whenever we release a new video. So there can be several reasons why your laptop can get slow when it gets old. So what you need to do is you need to so since there are several reasons, the first thing that you'll need to do is make sure that you restart your device regularly. So to restart, you can simply press Alt plus F4 key. There you will find the restart option. Tap on it and then tap on OK. So restart your device every now and then. You can do it every week, you can do it every maybe 2 or 3 days. So do that and this should prove effective. Now, the other thing that you can do is just make sure that you have limited startup apps. To make sure that is the case, press Control Shift plus Escape key and your Task Manager should open up. You can just search for Task Manager right here and open this up. So after you open it up, here you will find Startup Apps. Tap on Startup Apps and from here simply make it limited so that you can see a lot of these are disabled. You can disable this once by simply right clicking on one, then tapping on the disable button. Disable your startup apps, and after you've done that, you can now head back. Now, what you'll also need to do is head over to your Windows Defender, search for your Windows Defender. After you find Windows Defender, open it up. After you're on your Windows Defender, head over to this virus and threat protection. After you're there, just tap on the quick scan option to scan for any threats that your device might have. After you've done that, after the scan's complete, you should be good to go. Now the final thing is, if you can just upgrade your hard disk or SSD to make sure you have more storage. Just you can improve your RAM as well. For that, you might have to pay some money, but that will be a lot more effective and will prove to make your laptop much faster. And that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.